Katie B back in the building with another reaction video with Mama B, and we're gonna be doing a face off for you today. So we're gonna be reacting to Rosdrilla Push Through, and we're also gonna be reacting to Big Z by Big and Bad. So thank you to all those that have requested for us to react to the song, or these songs, so yeah, the names will be going across the screen. Let's go.
Oh yeah, son, let me right here go hard.
Oh, also,
It's audio.
Push Through is an audio.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, son, let me right here go hard.
That's American.
It's Trilla.
Oh yeah.
Roscoe.
No, wait, but it's American.
Hard times living on the block. Look at my life, this is what I'm about. Bread milk cold with a sleeping on the floor. Ain't nothing new with the hood of Roscoe South. Yeah, it's just sign on the blocks, but I'm talking to your hood, so you know that there's a way out. I represent the homeless people, there's no Rosdrilla always looking back there and then now. This for the kids that's looking for hope. Keep on looking, but can't really find it. This for the ones that's moved to the seas. For a better life, shout out to the islands. The homies selling on the block, bumping the clock in the B.I.G. Rushing the arms now, that's entertainment. Back them up in the P.E.T. Reminiscing about the days, memories when I used to get my ass whipped with the meanest hidings. It made me tough, no fear, messed up in the head, so they come and try me. Look and listen, you can hear the streets talk about the system. Shout out to the homies doing life in the pain with the fucked up laws as they walk in prison. R.I.P. to my great grandma. 02, 04, 19, I was waiting in the running from the enemies and other people ready to step up and fuck with my team. Remember after school, coming straight to the block, knocked out, lights up with the homies on the street. Ready to the law, mama didn't have a clue, I was pretty lucky, I was only 14.
Man, this song wasn't expecting. Push Through, fam. Title of the song.
I like it when I like it when you see the more vulnerable side of these guys.
And why they're doing music and stuff like that.
Like we've said before, everyone has a story of why they're doing things or where they're heading in life.
And you make it, keep pushing through and you make it, keep pushing through and you make it, just keep pushing through and you make it, 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 just keep pushing through and you make it. My life has never been a movie, I don't need to pull out sequels. Just real life shit with real life facts, I'm talking about real life people. To say the track to set up scores, trust me, our points will never be equal. Give a fuck what you say, but the cities that we live in ain't nothing here ever be legal. Give it up for my mom, was a single parent, team pregnant, going upstairs. No work, look after my great grandma for about almost 18 years. Great grandma has never been a burden, she's always been a bliss for the people that know this. We've went through a lot, I remember back then as a helpless kid, we were homeless. Started hitting the block on the street, I was looking at life in a different perspective. Some fake, some real, some snakes, no fear for the ones that's looking protected. You don't need to flex for the gram, fuck me and my be real, my G. We don't want to open up doors for the up and coming kids in the hood with no keys. Through you make it, keep pushing through and you make it, keep pushing through and you make it, trust me, pushing through and you make it, keep pushing through and you make it, keep pushing through and you make it, keep pushing through and you make it, trust me, pushing through and you make it. I grew up knowing gangsters, I grew up knowing hustlers, I grew up with the thuggsters, living on the street. I grew up knowing dealers, selling them myself. I grew up knowing the block and knowing who was the thief. To my Uncle Jay and my Uncle Mark, since they could days spoke both thugs straight in my ears. Now it's really crazy, I'm busy, I always wish for the G, never lazy, now my fish burn here. Before making music, I was putting in work, fighting in the ups, trying to get money for the split. Also got a flashback when suicidal thoughts came through, looking at the edge of a cliff. Telling the stories while drinking, the smoking and puffing, and weep about stressing on stuff. Life is too short to be crying about the shit you didn't have people see you're making up.
Deep.
Deep as, man.
It's amazing. No, it's not amazing, sorry. It's...
Thank you for speaking up, bro.
Yeah, like, check out Usomoni. Usomoni. Brotherhood.
And talk to
it's
them
just,
if ever you're going through anything.
hate to see brothers and sisters like that. Everyone has a story. I know, I have my story. You just want to grab them and hug. Let them know, please. Please talk. Let us help. I know it's hard. when you're going through suicide, your thoughts and there, and I know it's hard, but just can't lose another brother or another sister. There's another way out. Don't take the easy way out. There's another way. You're leaving behind people who love you, you know, stuff like that. Hey.
But you're also not giving yourself an opportunity to heal and grow and experience life other than, you know, despair, sadness.
Yeah.
Like apart from family and stuff you're leaving behind, you're not giving yourself a chance, you know?
And people need to be more understanding, not be judgmental.
Well, hang on, man.
Don't think, oh, suicide always here. No. It's a big thing nowadays. It wasn't back in my days, but
People kept it.
It is huge now.
Flagging and working for time, you gotta be mucking and will keep wanting retrieve. Money will fall off sometimes, so pick it up, carry on with the team, make it juice. With the team, make it milk. Money's never not, so show me some loyalty. Worth more than dollar jokes. Fuck up for one, I keep pushing the grind, my G. For you make it, keep pushing through and you make it. Keep pushing through and you make it. Trust me, push it through and you make it. That's the harsh reality of life on the streets. Keep pushing and be a fucking boss.
Own it.
Still got goosebumps. Didn't expect that from Rose Jolla. Okay, fam. So now we're gonna be reacting to Big Z, Big and Bad. And it's not audio, it's a actual clip.
5 minutes. Ooh.
Oh, you
Yeah,
silly.
6 months.
Really? Alright, let's go. Oh. Oh.
Sydney.
Can you just send it to prison? I'm gonna get me some shirts. Are we okay? Hey! Wait, I'll be there. That's all. Hey! Go on there!
Doing there.
Yo, Big Z! Hey! Good boys! Hey, what is doing? What is doing now?
Gusto aso uma. Oh, dale. Oh, say less. Oh, Crazy Visions. I was thinking, is it Crazy Visions? Must be from Sydney then.
I'm big, I'm bad, I'm doing this and that. We're big, we're bad, we're doing this and that. LP big, LP bad, LP doing this and that. Southwest big, Southwest bad, Southwest doing this and that. Who's them, who's that? Telling me to kick back, saying shit like I'm whack. Reminding me that I'm
going hard.
Had to only spit facts, but like when they come to LP, I'm back. Putting on for LP, stay strapped. When you walk in LP, get whacked. Cause you're not from LP, we're lax. Sipping on Hennessy with Jack. None of this Tennessee, they act sweet like Madobi, but I see clear like Bacardi. Pull up like Cardi B. You better please me with my money. If not, make a wish, you know, drip. When I hit that clip, it's no limits. It's behind my back, they chit chat. Make them lean like Joey Crack. Men on a mission, men in black. The opposition is no to lack. They fall back like quarterbacks. Have flashbacks of getting sacked. Them lads that run the ball like running backs. They shake up like the funny man. In the Southwest is Royal Rumble. They hear the word fumble, then hit the legs like Mumbo. Like a photo shoot for Umbro. They don't turn the cheek cause they humble. They turn the cheek cause they buckle. Interrupt my hustle, I'll introduce the muzzle over.
Going hard, man.
So it's my mom, what?
Mao what?
Yo. Hey. Yeah. What? They were late.
Will Lee eats one?
Yeah, where did Issa come? Bro. Oh, I like that. All the boys pulling up. Oh, snap.
They don't know about big and bad. They don't know about this and that. They claim they're snatching grab. How about they earn and stack? My Uso's big, Doko's bad. Me, I'm both this and that. You just hate cause you're toxic, but keep hating me cause I love it. I'm big, I'm bad, I'm doing this and that. We're big, we're bad, we're doing this and that. LP big, LP bad, LP doing this and that. Southwest big, Southwest bad, Southwest doing this and that. Through the trumpet sound like Timmy, make a wish like I'm a genie. I don't let Aladdin, cause they thieves just like him. I bring that fire like Jafar, I'm assaulting these bars. Can you tell by the scars I'm thinking fat like Boomba? They me cats like Timon, watch me sit on that throne. Cause I got that pride like the rock, they imitate like TikTok. Now ring that bell, awaken the beast. Got the fool setting up that feast. While they gas don't sips with chip, I'm stirring pots like a whip. Cause I stay popping the banks, have ranks like Amrus go boom. But I'm not robbing the hood, just trying to get to those who cry wolf. So tell them I'm good, tell them I'm stacking paper, tell them I'm a ghost with power. Cause when I speak, my words don't leak like Andre or Tyreek. Push out now, P, my brothers don't crumble. We lion kings of the jungle, forget stacks like queens that count bundles. Straight greens with O's at a dub, they out in the wind like Davis Alfonso. I'm back bursting your bubble, call me that Wolf, Leo DiCaprio. Check on Mike Buffer, who on the run? They don't know about big.
Wolf.
Where are you from? Oh.
What do you call that market thingy in America? He's talking about the Leonardo DiCaprio money.
Oh, Wall Street.
Wall Street.
Wall Street. Wall Street.
They don't know about this and that. They claim they're snatching grab. How about they earn and stack? My Uso's big, Doko's bad. Me, I'm both this and that. You just hate cause you're toxic, but keep hating me cause I love it. I'm big,
Making up his own lyrics.
I'm doing this and that. We're big, we're bad, we're doing this and that. LP big, LP bad, LP doing this and that. Southwest big, Southwest bad, Southwest doing this and that.
Kid looking lost. Making up his own lyrics.
No, he was doing the fucking way.
Oh. I don't know. It's pretty
I like the
straightforward.
video. I like
Straightforward, that's all.
it. I like the video.
I like the video. It's alright. Yeah, I give it a 7. Give it a 7. I like the beat. I like how everyone just carried on doing their own thing, just eating while he was rapping.
Yeah.
Like everyone's just minding their business, not trying to like. I liked it. I like the shirt as well. Not bad, it really stands out.
He brings up a lot of names. He mentions a lot of names up there. Tariq, I'm thinking Tariq Simson. Mike.
Yeah. Really relates to a lot of
Yeah.
There's nothing really
Wall Street,
that stood out to me, yeah.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Yeah, I give it a 7. What do you think, Mombi?
I liked it. I liked I like. How do you say it?
Was it like
Simple.
wow?
Yeah. Simple. I like the song. I don't like the song at Mickey's, but I like their part on there.
No, my favourite part is the translation of the lyrics. Of his Samoan, it's totally different sort of.
I give it an 8. I give it an 8. Never heard of this guy before. It's cool how he's going, admits he's big. Yeah.
Big like Pumbaa.
That's Islanders, like one big.
Yeah. It's just part of our nature. All that galo, that sapasui, luau.
Carbs, man, carbs.
Carbs is our daily diet, you know.
So what do you think of Ron Driller push through the audio?
I love how raw it is. I love how he's speaking his truth, the reality of what it's like in the streets, as he said, be a boss.
Own up, own it.
Don't let our society, portrays us, you know. Like, don't let society get you, you know. I love that he shouted out people, you know, polys that are in struggle and polys that have left for a better life and, you know, stuff like that. I quite like that he acknowledged a lot of the polys and their struggles.
So
where
vulnerable.
they've been, yeah, so vulnerable. Despite his hard
Tough
exterior,
exterior,
you know.
yeah.
You've really outdone yourself with this track. I'd give it a 10. Give it a 10. I love it. How about you, Mommy?
I'm trying not to cry because I keep getting called Suki now.
Can you stop looking at me?
I love relatable content. I love this kind of stuff. Like you've seen his other tracks and then boom, this comes up and you wow.
So a lot of the artists doing these days, yeah, which I love. I love seeing vulnerable side, telling their story, giving us an insight on why they do what they do.
And it's pretty much the same with all the
Poly
polys.
boys. Crazy, man. Yeah. What do you rate?
10.
10.
10.
Yeah, fams. Don't forget hashtag poly movement. I'll have the information to these guys' songs, channel, social media links down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, support the pros. Yeah. Much love, fam. Stay safe. And see you guys on the next reaction or just next video. Bye.
Yeah.